Hello friends, hi, this is Dr. Shonali Chandra, your QnE faculty at PrepLadder. And finally, yes, the wait is over. Your rapid revision Reignite notes are here. So now let's cut this open. Okay, so we have these rapid revision notes, as you can see. So this is one here. We have nice bookmarks as well. So we have sorted this out into volumes. So we have volume 1, Anat, Physio, Biochem, Path, Obs, Gynae. A second volume, Pharma, Micro, FMT, ENT, Opthal. And let's move on. Now that I'm unboxing it, let me just open the entire package. Okay, volume 3 is massive, PSM, surgery, medicine. And then volume 4 is basically your short subjects, peds, radio, anesthesia, ortho, psychiatry, and derma. So let's have a look what's inside these notes. So let's have a look at what's inside these notes, and this is designed in a QnE format. So that is something new that we have designed for you people. Okay, let's just focus on Obs and Gynae for now, my subject here. So we have relevant clinical anatomy, reproductive physiology and clinical conditions, and clinical embryology and associated disorders. So basically this is following the same pattern as you see in your rapid revision videos. So they will be a lot better in making sense of your rapid revision videos to help them cover them faster. So let's see how they are designed and what's different. So they ask you a big question, see, like, how do gonads develop into either testes or ovaries during human development? And they give it to you in a very flowchart format to remember and recall from your video lectures, right? So when they ask you a question here, when you read the question here, you try to think of the answer yourself first before having a look at the solution there. And then there are some broad detailed questions given, like which genes are involved and which hormones play a role, where are they secreted from, and all this information is very nicely given in flowchart formation. As you can see, what happens to the Mullerian and Wolffian ducts, and detailed questions like what is the anatomical relationship between Mullerian and Wolffian duct in females, or let's go on further. So they give you a basic idea in a QnE format about the relevant embryology. So you basically recall your first year embryology as well, and then you move on to the big clinical questions. What is the clinical significance of Gartner's duct? And you have the image there, and Gartner's duct cyst, and all of these questions are also designed from previous year question patterns, right? And what different type of Mullerian duct anomalies. You can see here this a question on Mullerian duct anomalies has been asked multiple number of times in PYQs, and that is actually mentioned so that you know the importance of this particular topic, and the diagrams and the HSG images and all are given in a tabulated form, so you can have a quick recall and quick revision as well. So this is turning out very nicely. So now don't worry, your one-liner questions are not going to get missed out in this. You see here, you have the most common anomaly, most common clinical presentations, and you have them in answer the following type of format where answers are given to you. So read the question and then try to recall the answer. Active recall is what we are trying to build here, and the answers are given, which you can come back to the answer once you are done thinking about the question first. And just like I have in my rapid revision videos, I've incorporated MCQs and try to solve those MCQs in the videos to help you understand how you go about question solving. Well, those very same MCQs are also a part of your rapid revision notes as well. So you can see here a question is given, 4 options are there, your answer and explanation is also there. And this is from the chapter on amenorrhea, again a very hot topic for your exams as well. And you can see all the important differentials, they are given in a tabulated form for you to compare and remember, compare and learn, compare and recall. And all the standard images that you see in your video lectures, they're also incorporated here, and they are colored, nicely colored images. And again, what the image tells and what the image is for, any important point about those images is mentioned alongside. Now, these notes are crisp and concise, yet they do not compromise with the coverage of the important previous year topics that have been asked in your exam. So they're covering all your PYQs. So these notes are filled with colorful images, QnE format, flowcharts are there, tables are there, topic-wise integration is there, subject-wise integration is there. It is all that you need to reignite your rapid revision, right? Now, again, let me remind you, it's not simply going to be a rereading of your notes. This is something different. There is a question there. Make sure that you think about the question, try to work out the answer, and then see the solution. And this is what active recall is all about. And this is there to boost your preparation for the upcoming exam. So grab your rapid revision reignite notes and reignite your preparation.